Hey everyone, welcome back to the podcast. I'm Jenny, and as always, I'm here with Mark, our resident tech guru. Mark, how's it going?
Hey Jenny, I'm doing great, super excited about today's topic. We're diving into something pretty cool, SynergySoft's upselling and retention. And the best is that Humanto AI can be a big help.
So SynergySoft, they're the enterprise software folks, right? And they've noticed clients are wanting times than what they initially signed up for?
Exactly. It's a great problem to have, really. It means clients are finding value in the core product and are ready to expand. It's like, when you get a basic cable package, and then you realize you times the sports channels?
Oh, I definitely know that feeling. So, they need a strategy. Where does Humanto AI fit in?
Okay, this is where it gets interesting. Humanto AI can analyze all sorts of data. Client profiles, purchase history, how they're actually using the software, even their feedback. It's like having a superpowered detective figuring out who's ready for that sports package upgrade.
So it's not just about blasting everyone with the same upsell offer. It's personalized?
Precisely. Think about it. A company that's heavily using, say, the project management module might be a perfect candidate for the advanced reporting add-on. But a company that's barely touched that module? Probably not. Humanto AI can help spot those patterns.
That makes sense. It's like, hey, we see you love this feature. Here's something else you might love. It's less intrusive, more helpful.
Right. And it's not just about what times to offer, but when times. The AI can potentially identify the optimal time to approach a client based on their usage patterns or maybe even key milestones in their business.
Okay, that's clever. So we're talking about things like client industry, company size, what they've already bought. That all goes into the AI's brain?
Yep, and don't forget the usage data. How often are they logging in? Which features are they using the most? Are they submitting support tickets about specific areas? All those clues paint a picture.
It's like reading digital body language.
I like that. And the goal here, it's not just about a quick sales boost, right? It's about building a longer, stronger relationship with the clients.
It's about making sure they're getting the most times value out of the software. A happy client is a loyal client.
And a loyal client is more likely to, keep upgrading that cable package over time. It increases what they call the average revenue per user, or ARPU.
So how would SynergySoft actually use this AI-powered insight? Like, what does the sales team do with it?
Well, they could get alerts. Like, hey, this client is showing strong signals for an upsell. Or they could have dashboards showing which clients are in different segments based on their readiness.
So instead of a generic sales pitch, it's a tailored conversation. We've noticed you're using X a lot. Have you considered Y?
Exactly. And they can even use the AI to generate personalized demo scripts or sales materials. It's about making the sales process as smooth and relevant as possible.
And they'd need to track how well this is all working, right? It's not a set it and forget it kind of thing.
Oh, definitely. They'll need metrics, and the AI can help analyze which strategies are working best and adjust things in real time. It's a continuous learning loop.
So they might start by focusing on, say, clients in a specific industry, and then refine their approach based on the results?
Precisely. Maybe they find that clients in the healthcare industry respond best to a particular upsell offer, while those in finance need a different approach. The AI helps them uncover those nuances.
It is fascinating. It's all about understanding. It is like knowing what your customer needs. So let's get into some code. I know you are excited.
I am always excited to get into code. Here is how it works. We use a combination of Python for data processing and machine learning, and tools like Salesforce for CRM integration. I have sample code snippet to get started with data analysis using Python. First, you import pandas as PD from sklern.cluster, import k-means. Then you load client data, so client_data equals pd.read_csv. Client_data.csv. Pre-process the data using usage_frequency. Modules_used. Support_tickets are relevant features. Scale the features with features_scaled equals features.mean /features.std. Apply k-means clustering using k-means equals k-means. n_clusters equals 4. Random_state equals 0. Fit features_scaled. And then client_data segment equals k-means. Labels_. And lastly, output segments with print. Client_data. Client_ed. Segment.
Wow, way to break it down for us. So what exactly is happening?
I am glad you asked. First, data loading. Reads client data from a CSV file. Then, data preprocessing. Selects relevant features and scales them for better clustering. Next, clustering. Uses k-means to segment clients into 4 different groups based on their usage patterns and support interactions. And lastly, output. Adds a segment column to the client data, indicating which group each client belongs to.
This all sounds incredibly powerful. It's like transforming the sales process from a guessing game into a data-driven, personalized experience.
That's the idea. It's about using technology to build stronger, more meaningful relationships with clients. And, helping them succeed in the long run.
Well, Mark, as always, you've made something complex sound surprisingly approachable. Thanks for breaking this down for us.
My pleasure, Jenny. I always enjoy our chats. And to our listeners, thanks for tuning in. We'll be back next week with another deep dive into the world of tech.
Looking forward to it. Until next time, everyone.